to my channel, Explore with Micah. Live and love life. Today, I will be sharing with you a glimpse about Lisbon. Lisbon is the capital of Portugal. It is one of the oldest cities in Europe. In downtown Lisbon, in which we will be visiting now, it has a lot of things to discover. Its architectures like the monuments, pavements, churches, palaces, and castles are unique in its own way. And not just that, you would surely love the Portuguese pastries as much as I do. And there are tons of them to try. When you stroll around downtown Lisbon, always remember, first, wear appropriate clothing and comfortable shoes as there are high slopes in this area. Second, bring only what is necessary. Always remember that less is more. And lastly, enjoy. There are a lot of places here that are Instagram worthy. So without further ado, vamos! I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe and click that notification bell for updates. Please do share this video to your friends and families, and that would mean a lot to me. Muito obrigado. Bye. Adios.